this is Joe Licata. I'm the Community Projects Manager at the Hilton San Francisco Union Square. And I'd like to give a little bit, in a minute, advice to some meeting planners coming into any large city that you'd like to do a corporate social responsibility program. You want to bring your CSR to your event. Some things that you can do ahead of time is make sure you have enough planning time to have an event that is meaningful. So make sure you contact your hotel, see if they have someone who can help you arrange a project for your group. And if you want to do something on site, like have a collection, just think about bringing things like the most needed items of nonprofit groups are socks, hygiene products, coats, and sweaters. And first of all, if you're coming here to the Hilton San Francisco Union Square, please contact me, because I would really like to help you put a community service project together with your group. Thank you.